Hello everyone, good morning. I wanna introduce myself. My name is Christoper. My major vertical level 1 and I'm from Aipi, Makassar.
How can I help you?
Well, I'm on visiting for Tugas. I need to get something done while I'm here.
Sure, what do you need?
I need to get my haircut and I also need my pants hammer.
Okay, here's the map of the city. There's a good hair salon here, which is just a block away, and there's a hello right here. Is there anything else?
Yes, I need my car service.
Ah, no problem. There's a good mechanic a few blocks away.
How I can help you?
Yes, I'm done visiting for a few days and I need to get some things done while I'm here.
Sure, what do you need?
I need to get my hair cut and I'll need to have my new pen helmet.
Okay, here's a map of the city. There's a good hair salon here. It is just a block away. And there's Taylor right here. Is there anything else?
Yes, I need to have my car service.
No problem. There's a good mechanic a few blocks away.